Our Center of Rehabilitation is our short-term post-acute care neighborhood, which is comprised of 30 private rooms and is located in a separate area of our skilled nursing facility.
Our collaborative approach involves strong clinical expertise, therapy services, social services, and ongoing support and education from our team.
I was here for 3 weeks the first time. I went home and ended up back in the hospital for a couple weeks. And then here I am back again. The staff is great, from the therapists to the nurses to the kitchen people. It's clean, food is good, the gym is great for the therapists. They're tough, but yet soft. You just get to be friends with everyone.
We strive to restore an individual's optimal level of functioning despite any illness, injury, or disease by treating each patient with dignity, compassion, and respect, while offering spiritual support and hospitality to both the patient and his or her family.